Hello, everyone. I'm Drenda the Wizard, and today we're learning how to ban a player in the new Amtgard Online Record Keeper, also known as the ORK. I am already signed in, but if you aren't signed in, there will be a green login button right there. Your kingdom will be pinned in the top corner. If your kingdom or your local park is incorrect, make sure to reach out to your local prime minister to have that corrected. Shouldn't be any problem. Anyway, so you go to your kingdom, and you want to scroll over here to the reports. Boop. Reports. You are in reports, scroll down. We are inside players. We want to look down to suspended. Click on suspended players. Right here, it will show a list of all the players who are currently suspended. I have blocked this out for the safety of various members. But it will have a list, last sign in, suspended time, suspended until, and then also this part that you can't quite see is propagates to all kingdoms. And that indicates whether or not this goes across, right, all the kingdoms. So we're going to go up here to this lovely suspend player button. We're going to click on a park. I'm not actually going to be suspending a player, but we'll suspend myself, I guess. Search for persona or name, suspended from blank, suspended until blank. Reason for suspension should be, I recommend putting in the reason for suspension the link to the suspension post. That is what I would recommend personally. That way people in the future can go and look up the post specifically, which will give them all of the information that they're allowed to know. You can also do an indefinite suspension. And don't forget to check whether or not the suspension propagates to all kingdoms. And then you just hit suspend player, which I don't want to be suspended. So but there, that's it. That's how you do it. It's super easy.